Hello and welcome to the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here going to run through the trade with you on this 27th day of June 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room and we got a decent trade just about towards the end of the session when actually there were tons of decent trades. And we're going to use our old friend, the Samurai Day Trading Strong Candle Indicator, which is this little green arrow right here. So whenever you get one of these arrows, whether it's selling or whether it's buying, you just put your order on the end of the candle. Make sure you're got your PVI and your ATM synced, and just let it run. Now there are reasons why this particular candle was the one we chose. I think some people got all these on the way up, but this particular one had other things going for it that the other ones did not. So we went for a larger tick target, and we're going to target the 50 of the day. So this is the actual trade taken in the room by myself and other folks in the room. And let's go ahead and run it right now. Now we see our PVI is 14. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 14 and 21 ticks in length. Now we are trading ES, which is the S&P 500. It moves slower than the NQ. So this is going to take probably multiple candles to get up to the 50 of the day. So as soon as we get into the trade, we'll speed it up so we're not here all day. We'll show you what the result was at the end. So here we go. The 1 second into it, we've already had a big push down. So since we had to push down, we'll go off the body of the candle, which is where I picked it up. So here we go. Boom. All right, stop has to go where it belongs, which is down here. And now we'll speed it up just a tad. We're going for 8 tick, 16 ticks, and 32 tick targets up here by the 50 of the day. That's exactly what we're looking for. So as soon as our first target's hit, you'll see our stop is going to uh, come up underneath, and we'll be risk free, and we'll see if we can get our larger targets to play out. So let's speed it up just a tad. I think this takes about 4 candles to actually complete the entire trade. So we'll go ahead and it's 4 times the market speed right now. And you see ES is so different from NQ. Usually in the Nasdaq, we have our first target taken out very, very quickly. ES just doesn't run that fast. So it's going to take its time and go from there. All right, first target's out. You see our stop came up so that we're at a break-even position now. Now, if the market comes back and takes us out at the break-even, we have an opportunity to re-enter the trade if we want to. So it's a bit of a hedge, and we'll see how this keeps on going. All right, first candle's done. Maybe we'll speed up just a little bit more. I mean, this whole trade took 20 minutes in total, I believe, to actually pay. And again, I put it up. This is a replay, so it's moving at 6 times the market speed. So you can imagine if you're sitting there, candle after candle, that you have to have pretty good patience and trust in your plan to do this. But here it goes. I thought it was 4 candles. Maybe it's only 3. Second candle's done. Now, what some people will do is they'll move their stop under the previous candle, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to hold on right here. Our first 2 targets are out, and we're going to go for the 50 of the day, which is the 32 tick target on the S&P 500, which is massive. Maybe it's only 3. Maybe it's only 3 candles. Couldn't remember 3 or 4. Real close to our target right now. And there you go. We're out. That whole trade took about 13 and a half minutes, 13 and a half minutes to complete and was worth 800 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make you 800 US dollars in less than 15 minutes, then come join us in the live trading room, SamuraiDayTrading.com, SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless, and we'll see you next time.